The first symbol up that we have is the slip stitch, and we need to go over in order to build upwards. It means that we cannot just start here and build up because it's going to create extra stitches. And so we just slip stitch over in order to get to where we need to go, then chain one and then do the single crochet across. You will see this in examples like this, where you're ending a row here on this here with the two together single crochet, but we can't just chain one and start the next row because we're not going to be in the right section. So we need to slip stitch over one. Sometimes it could be 2, 3, or 4, or it could even be more. And so all that's telling you to do is that you need to slip stitch in order to do that. Slip stitching is also the sense of adding new yarn or doing the join. So when you come up over here and you're doing these stitches going across just like this, these chains that you'll see, there's a blue slip stitch right here. It just means that you're joining it to that particular one. So you got to watch where the slip stitch is. So when it's a difference of joining new yarn or joining a section versus you're starting up and you're just slip stitching over. So in this case that you'll have is that you were just slip stitching over in order to continue to make the boxes. So the next one up is the chain work.